Here comes the thunder, here comes the lightning. This is Thunder and Lightning State of the Union Address. The reason why I am doing Thunder and Lightning news is because my original concept comes from 1992. Because I used to work for someone, and after I got done with all my work, I decided to start a newsletter, and and I thought this through, and I said to myself, thunder and lightning, that makes more sense. So, I usually get like press releases, a lot of hockey information, and all these years I collected the press releases and stuff like that, and I kept them. And then in 2015, we get a new hockey team of the Stockton Thunder, aka the Adirondack Thunder. Um, so I decided to do my my original concept of Thunder and Lightning news, because it makes sense. The team's called the Adirondack Thunder. So, Thunder, and then the Lightning comes from now is the Tampa Bay Lightning. So I decided to combine it both. He comes the Thunder, he comes the Lightning. This is Thunder and Lightning news. It makes sense. 2. I want to post something into the description so you guys can understand what I am talking about. Also, I gathered a lot of information over the years, and also it means a lot to me. And the thing is, I cannot reveal where I used to work at or the people who I used to work with. That's confidential. I can't tell you anything about that. And then after, then I decided to do other another series called Here Comes the Thunder. That is completely different, because like I'm going to our home game this Saturday against the Brampton Beast. I will come back and get myself comfortable. Then I will say to you, here comes the thunder, here comes the lightning. This is here comes the thunder game report. That's something different, because I'm telling you who wins our games. 2, I do my homework. I look at the stats, I look at the 3 stars of the game, and our attendance. Then I will tell you. And also I will provide other information, such as links to what I'm talking about and other information. That's why now I decided to do the State of the Union address about Thunder and Lightning news. This will be not every week. It will be I can't even say my words. Bi-weekly. I wanted to say bi-monthly, actually, because I mean, most of you don't usually watch my videos that much, but most of you do. I will appreciate that, and I want to thank you guys very much for my goal, and that is uh, getting me up to 10,000 views to my videos. That means a lot to me, and I want to thank you for that. Let's get on back on subject here. Um, and I mean, the state of the, to me, the State of the Union address is for the President, Donald Trump. I am not Donald Trump. I'm Jay Potter. I am the wolf. So I decide to do something uh, similar what he does, but do it in the field of hockey. Thunder and Lightning News State of the Union Address. This is what this is about. Which I said, I will post something into the description. This is going to be short for right now. I will get more involved with this later. So turn on your notifications, post notifications, go to the like button, put that on also over about 100 times, and be informed on everything what I do. Share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the video. This is a production of my original concept of the State of the Union Address about Thunder and Lightning News. And also subscribe to me and to, I don't want to say his name, but Donald Trump also, because he's awesome. Thank you for your time. More videos up a little bit later.